system with this animal only. So it is unique. That's why it is important. Also in examination point of view also. So be ready for that. First is, it starts from the ambulatory system or water vascular system. It starts from, it is consist of 3-4 things. Write down that 3-4 things. One is madreporite, outermost part madreporite, then stone canal, madreporite, then is stone canal. After that, there is Tiedemann's bodies. These are the Tiedemann's body. These you can see. Then is this pentagonal ring. This pentagonal ring, that is called the ring ambulatory vessel. Ring ambulatory vessels. Or inner to it, there is present number of Tiedemann's bodies. From each pentagonal, there arises these vessels. They form this system. Write down its name. Its name is radial ambulatory vessels. Avla. Radial ambulatory vessels. So it is consist of madreporite, then stone canal, then is this one ring ambulatory vessels, then Tiedemann's body, and then the vessels arise from them. They are called the radial ambulatory vessels. Last one is these podial vessels. Podial vessels means which arise from it to attach the tube feet. And where they open this feet like or podium, so it is called the podial vessel. This is tube feet. अगर 2 दिन लिखांगे, अगर सारे कलेक्टिवली देखिए तो ट्यूब फीट. Now this is clear to everyone. ठीक है? Now again I will repeat. One is madreporite, second is stone canal, third is ring जाली वर्गी सेम ਉਹਦੇ ਵਰਗਾ ਹੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਲੱਗੇਗਾ which is brought from the anterior side ਜਿੱਥੋਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਤੇ ਪਾਣੀ ਆਂਦਾ ਵਾ after that there is a tube ਉਹ ਆ ਜਾਣੀ ਹੈ ਇਸ stone ਦੇ ਨਾਲ clear है ठीक है इक्विवेलेंट मान लो और there are present number of pores this is it's a detailed structure or it is present hunda मैं in my previous lecture I have told you it is present between the two arms interradial portion ਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਇਹਨੂੰ interradial this is radial portion this is between the two arms that is called the interradial portion I think here interradial portion ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹਦੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਇਹ ਦੋ ਆਰਮਸ ਹੈ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੈਂਟ ਹੈ that is called bivalvia bivalvum ਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਦੋਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ bivalvum ਪਰ ਇਹ ਤਿੰਨ ਕੀ ਹੈ ट्राइवल ਇਹ ਤਿੰਨ ਆਰਮਸ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਉਹ ट्राइवल्स ਇਹ ਦੋ ਆਰਮਸ bivalvum ਜਾਂ bivalvum it's two names ठीक है clear है why कभी पेपर था दे बाइवल किया ते ट्रायल ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੱਸ ਦੇਣਾ ਨਾ valvium what is that's why it has main important thing its symmetry is bilateral due to this madreporite otherwise we can cut it into 2.5 arms but due to this they have only symmetry bilateral symmetry जिस तरह साढ़े चा if we cut ourselves from this एक जे लत्ता चल रही है एक बाँह चल रही है it is not equal one it is equal only like this part is this side this part is on this side that is equal one clear there are present stone canals this is madreporite structure of madreporite which is broader on the outer side but it has number of pores so it is a seam like these pores they lead into small tubes this is 1 2 3 इस तरह के they have or these are called the pore canals these pores lead into pore canals clear pore canals these pore canals internally open into a broad portion क्योंकि आपको देखने वो जरा ਹੁੰਦਾ ਵਾ ਉਹਦਾ ਆਲਮੋਸਟ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਤੋਂ ਗੋਲ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਮੋਟਾ ਫਿਰ ਪਤਲਾ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹਦਾ ਮੋਟਾ ਵਾਲਾ ਪੋਰਸ਼ਨ ਹੈ that is called its ampulla ਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੂੰ ampulla structure of ampulla this ampulla then open into a canal which is called the ਇਹਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ this canal is called stone canal in the central disc portion कितने present होएगी around the esophagus. Clear? Madreporite कितने present होता है oral side वाले. Oral means which contain the mouth, which contain the mouth side, that is present near to the mouth in the interradial portion. Here up to here it is clear. This is a ring-like structure present in the central disc around the esophagus. Internal side there are present 9 Tiedemann's body. How they get this name? Tiedemann is the scientist who discovered this. That is with respect to his name, they got the name, that is Tiedemann's body. These Tiedemann's body, they are vacant. जिस तरह कमरा है, they are empty inside, or they contain chamber inside, and that has a कोई भी खाली जगह उत्थे की आ जाएगा जिहड़ा भी पानी इधरों आके वो हर पानी जिहड़ा वा जिन्ने भी खाली जगह होंगे उन्हां नूं लभेगा ना, they are filled with water. They have a chamber in them, means space inside, or this space is filled with sea water. जेड़ा कि मैट्रिपोराइट तो स्टोन कैनाल तो रेडियल कैनाल तो enter into the Tiedemann's chamber. It is clear. These Tiedemann's chamber, beside of sea water, they also contain some amoeboid cells. The function of amoeboid cell is to engulf the foreign particle. See, the first filtration takes place here, means this filtration is for the safety, ताकि कोई भी बड़े particles इन्हां दे अंदर enter ना कर सकन. Second, they do this function. The foreign particles which is present in them, they are eaten by the amoeboid or phagocytic cells. Amoeboid cells. It is clear to everyone. After that, there are present 9, 2 at each side, except the one side which has where the madreporite or stone canal open. There is one lack of Tiedemann's body. There is lack of Tiedemann's body. So there are present, they are 9 in number. So they are 9 in number. Clear? Its function is to give the water, make the water disease free. ठीक है? Pollution free, disease free. After that, from each corner of this pentagonal ambulatory ring, in the radial portion means which is toward this side. This side means toward the arm. Interradial केड़ा बार-बार मैं दस रही हूँ, दो arms के विचकार वाला है, और they enter into each arm. These rings radial ambulatory vessels. They enter into each arm in the ambulatory groove. In the vessels, ring ambulatory vessels. They are above the ambulatory groove, rather fit into the ambulatory groove. Groove means कि होता है कोई भी इस तरह का बीच जगह हुई, ठीक है. After this, from this ambulatory, so there are 5. Its arms are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each enter into each arm. Now the each arm, they have number of tube fields. There are present around the ambulatory groove. There are present 2 rows on one side, 2 rows on the another side. Total कितनी rows हो गया? 4. In each arm there are present 4 rows. One in the central, in the ambulatory groove, this is called radial ambulatory vessel. From here there arises this podial vessel. There arises the podial vessels. ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ 4 क्यों कर रहे हैं? Let it be clear. 2 are देखो एक बार, then again it is longer one. There are present 2 rows of tube fields. But they are the longer. They have longer radial vessel. This podial vessel. Other they have short radial vessels. एक क्या लेयर दिखना पड़ती है सानू? एक एवं, ठीक है. इस तरह सेम here we can see one here, another is this. Total 1, 2, 3, 4. There are present 4 rows. 2 are inner side near to it, 2 are away from it. It is clear? Or they help in movement of the or locomotion of the starfish. Now these each podial canal now open into where they open into the tube feet. These each tube feet is fitted into the ossicles which is present in the dermis. मैं उस दिन करवाया सी मेरे उस लेक्चर दे विच. In my previous lecture I told you there are present 2 ossicles which give the strengthened endoskeleton. In between these 2 ossicles इस तरह जुड़े दे नहीं है. Ossicle means calcium the hard structures. The in between them there is present these 4. केड़े वाली present होएगी? Tube fields. That's why they can bend. Otherwise जेड़ा ossicles है that is made up of calcium that can't be bend. ਹੁਣ साड़ियां हड्डियां इत्थों नहीं ना bend कर सकदियां. कित्थों bend करन दियां? जिथे 2 joint है. क्लियर है ना? तो 2 ossicles ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਸਮਝ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਆ? ਇਹ ਇੱਕ ਬੋਨ ਹੈ, ਇਹ ਦੂਸਰੀ ਹੈ. ਫਿਰ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਕਰਕੇ ਸਾਰੀ ਸਕਿਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਹੈ? ਜਸਟ ਐਪੀਡਰਮਿਸ ਦੇ ਨੀਚੇ ossicles ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿਚਕਾਰ there are present tube fields. clear है? ਉਹਦੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ मूवमेंट भी possible है, मतलब बेंडिंग भी हो सकती है. अदरवाइज जे पूरी स्टिफ रहेगी तो ये तो बंद कर लोगे अपनी बांह, नहीं करोगे ना, कितों ही होएगी? ओनली इन जॉइंट्स. अदरवाइज जे जॉइंट्स ना हो तो साडी बांह अद्धा ही रहेगी हमेशा. अद्धा ही कर सकते असं काम, अद्धा नहीं कर सकते. we can't do. clear? next is structure of tube feet. The structure of tube feet, it is like this. Structure is, this is the structure of tube feet. One is tube foot, this water become that remain water, pure water without large particles. After that इस तरह साढ़े इत्थे हेयर्स होंदे नक्क च वो की करते हैं हवा नू फिल्टर करते हैं ताकि ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ डस्ट पार्टिकल या और पार्टिकल्स अंदर ना चले जाए। समुंदर च ते कितना कुछ ही इस तरह का उन्होंने फिल्ट्रेशन करने वास्ते here the it has like this structure, upper structure of metrorite. Here filtration takes place, that water enter into the ampulla. After that it is in the stone canal. From stone canal this enter into the ring ambulatory vessel. Here again safety is there by the Tiedemann's capsules which contain the amoeboid cells. फिर सेकंड जगह पे वो क्या हो गया जिन्हें भी कोई बैक्टीरिया वायरस which give harm to it वो सब मर गए। ठीक है, further purification is takes place. After that this water enter into the each this radial vessel. Why it is called radial vessel? Because they are present in the radial portion. In the radial portion they are called the radial vessels. They are called the radial vessels. These radial vessels they open into a canal, another vessel that is called the podial vessels. I have all told you there are present 2 rows on one side and 2 rows on the another side, total 4 rows. There are from each arm there arises the number of podial vessels which open into 2 feet. The structure of 2 feet you can see they open into the podium part, and upper one is ampulla, lower this is tube like podia, and then is this sucker. It is all about clear. sucker का function क्या होता है? To suck करना और attach करना किसी भी जगह. This is clear. The function of this water vascular system is to locomotion, for the locomotion and little bit help in respiration also. I think clear to everyone? Clear? Next is functional part or physiology, how they locomote. बच्चे locomotion is due to hydraulic pressure of the sea water. केड़ा वाला? Hydraulic pressure of the sea water. Because ट्यूब फीड्स ने जड़ियाँ पोडियम है वो कैनाल में लंबी होना है छोटी होना है, that is all depend upon due to water's pressure, that is called the hydraulic pressure inside the cells. Clear है? हम समझना है अपन कि इन्हां दी लोकोमोशन जड़ी है वो किस तरह है। मैं एक टाइम पहले तुम पंजाबी से समझावांगी ताकि अपन नू समझ आ सके। क्लियर है? एदियां आईज जड़ियां वे दे आर प्रेजेंट एट द टिप ऑफ ईच आर्म. Each arm has at the tip one eye. So one eye is at the tip of each arm. कभी इधर भी जा सकती है, इधर भी जा सकती है, पीछे भी जा सकती है ना? कोई भी ऐसा और ना it how they move. Let it be they want to move in this side. They want to move in this side. which side they want to move. That are the leading arms. They fixes themselves in the substratum. समझ आ गया? They fixes themselves on the substratum tightly. How they move like this? Water that is coming inside it, the tube feet of that arms, they contracted, and there this podium that become elongated. ठीक है? जब ये लंबी हो जाएगी, then water, pressurized water that is come into, more water come into this side. ठीक है? The again I will tell you, the arms of leading side that is fixed into the substratum. ठीक है? टाइटली उन्हें पकड़ लेंगे. फिर क्या होगा? आफ्टर दैट फिक्स्ड करनी है, उन्होंने हाली कीतियां नहीं है, मतलब हाली तो उन्होंने टाइटली उसके ऊपर अपना प्रेशर बनाया. नाउ द वाटर which is present in this, where these radial vessels, और तो कितने चल जाएगा? Radial vessels. If they are contracted, another size की हो जाएगा, खींचे जाएंगे, छोटे हो जाएंगे और लंबे हो जाएंगे. कौन? These one. Which one? These podiums. They become pressional water. जब मान लो कंट्रैक्ट करेगा तो लंबा हो जाएगा, तो स्पेस डेवलप हो जाएगा ना, then water rushes toward this tube feet. It become elongated. As finally this takes place like this. Second step to this is the sucker part. What they do? They are earlier like this. Now they create the suction. They create the in the center suction pump. ठीक है? First they are like this, flat, which suckers. Now I am talking about suckers. Now with contraction of this ampulla की करेगा मुँह अपने वाल खींचेगा और it become like this. These ends of the sucker, they tightly fix the substratum and suction is created. Clear? Up to here. Now they tightly hold that substratum, sandy area. Sand से चलना ना नीचे. After that, pivot takes place. What is this pivot? समझो मेरी बात. The arms which is present here, they rotate now like this. मान लो मैं इस तरह वहाँ pivot होके मैं ओदे आले दुआले ही करांगी, rotate करांगी. I am here. That is forward like this. You understand now this? Now the arms which are present, they are not fixed in the substratum. They move forward or up here. Again. Like this they can move. Clear? I think clear to everyone. जब मैं आपको पंजाबी से समझना है, इंग्लिश किस तरह समझाएंगे कि स्टारफिश जिस साइड में वो जाना चाह रही है, मान लो इस साइड में जाना चाह रही है, तो उन्होंने की करेंगे आर्म्स, उन्होंने ट्यूब फीट्स की होंगे और धरती के नाल सबस्ट्रेटम के नाल अटैच करनगियां एंड इट्स एम्पुला की करनगियां उन्होंने ट्यूब फीट्स कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड लंबियां हो जाएंगियां, चौड़ियां घट जाएंगियां, लंबियां हो जाएंगियां ते प्रेशर नाल वेल तो वाटर पानी जड़ा किदे च आ जाएगा? पोडियम च. आफ्टर दैट द सक्कर्स व्हाट दे डू, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ सक्कर्स ਜਦੋਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਅਟੈਚ ਕਰ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ ਧਰਤੀ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਸਬਸਟ੍ਰੇਟਮ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਫਲੈਟ, then ampulla they contracted, ऊपर ਨੂੰ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਖਿੱਚੇਗਾ ਤੇ ਕੀ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ? suction is centrally suction is created. After that Now this side portion, that is ਕੀ ਹੋ ਜਾਊਗਾ ਉਹਦਾ ਚੰਗੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਫਿਕਸਡ ਕਰ ਜਾਏਗਾ। then the arms ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਨੂੰ ਮੰਨ ਲਓ ਨੇ ਇੱਧਰ ਨੂੰ ਚੱਲਣਾ, ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ arms ਇੱਧਰ ਹੈ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਉਹ ਪਿਵਟ ਕਰਨਗੀਆਂ। ਪਿਵਟ ਮੀਨਸ ਉਹਦੇ ਆਲੇ ਦੁਆਲੇ ਘੁੰਮਣਗੀਆਂ ਤੇ that moves forward. This is the locomotion of the starfish. Not always like this. ਹੁਣ ਉੱਪਰ ਵੀ ਜਾਂਦੀਆਂ, they do by their internal muscles. Clear? Thanks.